I started with Running Rebels at the age of 7, and the way I got started was Victor Burnett and Dale Williams. They came to a local park where I played at every day. One of the things that I always held with me from Victor was, we're gonna make something out of nothing. We honestly started under a tree, and I remember at that age where we was under this tree, we had to go to a neighbor house just to get water on our practice when we getting breaks and things like that. Vic always pushed me as well as other youth to the front, and he always said, this is not my organization, but this is your organization. Running Rebels works with high-risk youth as well as youth like myself who don't want to have a chance to become high-risk. And when you get both of them under one roof, it's hard to find out who's the youth that's here for music versus the youth that's here because they got caught with a handgun. And I think the reason they do that is because it's something about this roof. When you come under this roof, this home, it's like a certain behavior that's only tolerated. The youth respect that. I think Running Rebels is a home away from home for youth. It's our safe haven. The full circle for myself was Victor mentoring me. Now I'm coming back as a volunteer. I'm mentoring youth. Running Rebels can and should be everywhere. So maybe one of these days I will go somewhere and I will start a Running Rebels as well.